What is drop servicing? Today in this video, I will be explaining to you exactly what this business is all about. Drop servicing is an online business model where you sell digital services and then outsource the service to a freelancer. In other terms, it involves promoting an online service somebody else provides and selling it to your customer. It is similar to subcontracting and is also known as outsourcing the service to someone else who can fulfill the service. This is your online store. You sell ABC services. A client purchases your service. He pays you $100, money in your pocket. Find freelancer to do the job for you. You pay her $50. The freelancer forwards the completed job to you. Then you fulfill the order by forwarding the completed job to your client. Finally, your job is completed. Job done. I hope after watching this video, you are more clear about what is drop servicing and how this drop servicing business can help you to build your very own online income. Drop servicing has enabled me to earn a 5-figure every month, and I earn most of my income through drop servicing. If you're keen to learn how I make a 5-figure income every single month, I have created a 5-figure drop servicing blueprint for you to download. All you need to do is go on to the description box below and there will be a link for you to click and you can download a free copy of my blueprint. If you want to master this drop servicing business, I also have a special Telegram group for you to join, and this Telegram group is called the Drop Servicing Mastery. I will provide you with a lot more info that I've learned along the way all about drop servicing. Please take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.